Alright, so a little while ago I did a video scrapping these phones and found a nice amount of gold inside. Some phones have near nothing, some have a lot, and these ones weren't too bad, but I've still got a big pile of them to do. There must be 10 in there, but I've also got these ones and I've not seen these before. So in this video I'm going to recycle one of these. So we'll open it up and see what's inside. So I just wanted to say, guys, I could really do with your hand subscribing to my channel. 75% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. I need the help to build my channel. Most of my competitors, opposition, however you want to call it, the other channels that do what I do, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and I've only just passed 3. So I'm busting my gut trying to help you guys. If you could do that little thing for me in return and subscribe, would be really appreciated. If you believe that I'm putting in enough effort that I deserve a coffee, for about the price of a cup of coffee you can become a member. Members get all sorts of rewards. They get extra draws when I give giveaways. So there's a standard giveaway, then there's another one for members. All my videos are released to my members first for about 3 days or so, and then after that I make it public. So I'm always trying to think about things that I can do for my members to show them how much I appreciate their support. But even if you just want to be a subscriber, that would help me huge. Thank you. Okay guys, welcome to another video. Sorry about the intro, trying to do it one-handed and everything was a bit all over the place. So this is the one we're going to scrap today, and this is the one that we did before. I've got lots to do. There's about 10 more of these and 3 of these. So I'm curious to see what the difference is. So let's get into it and we'll see how good it is inside. If it's any good, it might be rubbish inside. Let's have a look. So I've done the handle already, the handset, the part you hold on to, and all that was inside it was a few pieces of steel for the weight. The last video I did of the black one, there was a piece of cast aluminium on both ends, the speaker and the microphone, which I did off screen. But this one there was nothing to show, just a piece of metal. Anyway, so I'll take this plug out now. I've already undone the screws to make it quicker. So all I do now is I chop these ends off, and I keep these because there's gold in the ends, and then the cord just goes in my data cable, because there's 3 different piles of wire. There's 50-50, which is 50% PVC coated, then there's 70-30, which is 70% plastic and 30% wire, and then there's data. That's how the scrapyard runs it where I go. So now this just goes in data. Put these aside. And now taking this off. I don't know what's in here, we'll find out in a second. I'll put my specs on so I can see. Okay, well, rip this here so I can open it up. Looking good. So there's a board here with some gold fingers. Hopefully there'll be more gold on the other side. A speaker, that's not good to me. And there's a pretty busy board there. It's got a lot going on. Gold corner BGA, lots of ICs. We'll do that one in a minute. I'll get this one done first. I wasn't sure if you should want to see this video because I already did the black foam. They're all different inside, so it's not like it's the same, you know. But I thought I might as well do it. And then I also found a white phone, which I'll do in the next video. Let's see if that's any good. I don't know how many of you people like watching scrapping videos, but I'll show you something. I'm pretty much out of action for a while because I've had another cancer cut out, and right as we speak I'm waiting for the nurse to come. It comes every day to change the dressings. I opted for no skin graft because the last one didn't take, and I would have ended up with a huge big crater in my shin, if you remember the injury I got here. But because the skin graft didn't take, it had to heal from the inside up, which is good. Now it's almost smooth over. If the skin graft had have taken, I would have been left with a huge crater in my shin. Now this cancer around this side, there's a gaping big hole, and I mean a huge hole, which is what I wanted. I wanted it to heal from the inside out, but it's put me out of action for a bit. It's pretty hard to walk on and it's sore, so I really have no choice but to sit and do scrapping videos. So I hope you guys don't mind. I'm pretty sure from memory people said to me they like watching scrapping videos, and it's only for a short time. As soon as I'm able to get around, I'll start doing more processing. And I actually have a surprise in the way of processing videos. I won't give it away right now, but it's something that I have not done yet in the 5 years or whatever it is that I've been making videos, and I've had people asking me for videos of it. So there's a surprise for you. So we're left with a little IC chip there. They're no good to me. The silver capacitor, but there's hardly any silver inside it. The longer ones that stick out further I get, but these ones I just throw them away. There's an LED globe here that will have still a gold bond wire inside. Whoa, look at that. Gee, that was a nice surprise. That's good. And I've also got little flat LEDs here. I don't know if they have gold in them or not. I'm saving them up to do a video to find out. But wow, this is nice. I like it. Alright, so now this board here. It just rips off. Just glued on there. See? Big chunk of glue. Alright, where's the screws for this one? I wonder what this is like on the other side. It's also got gold fingers just here. That's a nice surprise. Especially when I'm actually saving gold fingers at the moment. So they'll go good with my collection. It's hard to see the screws. There's always one that we miss. Always. I don't have the drill, which would have made life a lot quicker, because Nadine's outside stripping towers down, so she pulls all the boards and everything out of the towers to save me time, and then just brings in all the boards for me to sort out, which is good. See, I missed one right here. Alright. Wow, there is more gold around here. Not sure if you can see that. Yep, there you go. A few dots there. Some dots of gold along here. It might be all gold under the solder mask, I don't know. IC chip there. Tantalum capacitor there, which will have silver in it. Tantalum capacitor there. IC, whole pile of ICs here. A few more here. Big, and not a big one, but it's a good size gold corner BGA. More ICs. And some hefty MLCCs, another tantalum capacitor, and there's also a gold border oscillator, which I'm excited about because I'm keeping those. Some more tantalum capacitors there, here as well. So I'm quite excited about that. And then finally, there should be this plug here, which has gold pins inside. So what I do with these is I cut down that side and then down this side and get through that. Then I can bring the pins up to straighten them up like so, and then grab hold of this and pull the wire, and out they come. Now there's brass at the very base where they join onto the wire, and then the gold starts. So I get my cutters just above the brass, hold onto the pins and snip, and then they go in my gold pin container. Drop the wires on the floor. So what else we got? Now there's this display here. I didn't really want to make a mess because the nurse will be here any minute. So I'm just unscrewing some screws, sorry. I'm just going to try and pull it out. A bit awkward. They make this thing so hard to get. Okay, now I've got the display. And there's some screws in the back here, so I'll undo those. Oh, they're really tiny ones. I've already got those two. Yeah, let me know in the comments, please, if you don't mind. Do you like watching these scrapping videos? It's not always going to be phones. There's going to be all kinds of things. I just don't do boring towers that everyone knows what a tower looks like inside. Laptops and stuff. I try to do other things apart from the obvious. Trying to get this done quick because the battery's running out. Alrighty, so nothing really on this board, just this bit of wire. We'll get rid of this out of the way. So to recap, we have some data cable, This will be 70/30, and then we've got this board with all the lot going on, and those fingers there to cut off. And then there's this board. It's a beauty, this one. It's got fingers as well. There's a IC chip. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, there will be one more coming up with the white phone, and then there'll be other things next time. It won't be, after that phone, there won't be any more servers and all kinds of things to pull apart. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share it with people that you know, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.